Government decides to public Tosha Khana records. Islamabad, in a major development, PM Shahbaz Sharif-led federal government has decided to make details of gifts received over the past 2 decades public, reported on Tuesday, citing sources. The decision to share details of Tosha Khana gifts on the Cabinet Division's website was taken in the federal cabinet meeting, chaired by Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif here. The development comes 4 days after government received backlash over expressing reservations to the disclosure of Tosha Khana gifts. The concern was raised by the government in its report submitted before the single-judge bench, during the hearing of a petition seeking to make records of Tosha Khana gifts public. The petition was filed by a private citizen Munir Ahmad through advocate Azza Sadiq in December 2022. As per the country's law, any gift received from dignitaries of a foreign state must be put in the state depository or the Tosha Khana. The Tosha Khana controversy caught media attention after former Prime Minister and Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) Chairman Imran Khan was accused of hiding details of the gifts he received during his tenure in the government. Last year in June, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif had constituted a ministerial committee to redesign the Tosha Khana policy. The committee was comprised of ministers of defense, law, and commerce. The committee also included secretaries of finance, information, and foreign affairs. The committee finalized recommendations within a month and submitted a report to the Prime Minister.